Good evening, all of you. Welcome to the class. This is your English grammar class that we are. It's been long time that we are meeting now. It means near a week, and now we are going to complete this topic letter writing. Having some letter as example, I'll tell you what to add over there, how to write that, what kind of language should be there. See, whatever we do while learning, that must reflect in our practical life, isn't it? In our practice as well. If you are learned with all the types of formal letters, but still you do not able to write the proper letter, in the sense by using proper sentences, their constructions, even using the proper words, those are the things which are very, very important while we see the letter. Okay, so let us start with which letter we'll take first. Let us take complaint letter first. Okay, so that you would understand, I'll be taking here one example. I'll be writing here one example with in front of you, that you will be seeing there. Understood? Okay, that would be your live example that I'll be giving, and after that I'll be giving you the
Complaint letter is used in police station.
yeah.
Complaint letter is used in police stations or other offices.
Yeah, but it's not necessary always to complain in to lodge the complaint in a police station only. There are a lot of complaints.
Yes, sir. In
I have a
other.
complaint. I have a complaint that you people do not take English as very serious subject. So that is my complaint. Shall I write to you complaint later? Yeah. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. I'm getting.
Yeah. So letter writing is something where you are actually writing a letter, in the sense, sorry, complaint letter to the person who is an authority, who is responsible for that. Okay, all these things we see there. Let me check where it was. One second. Yeah, is it that? Yes, it was of 15th of July. I had told you what is letter writing. After that, we had seen their formal letters and informal letters. In formal letters, we had seen complaint, inquiry, order, and editor. Okay, these are the types of letters that we write to the people. Okay, after that, we had seen the format or step to write a letter, like sender's address, then
We can't see. The,
yeah, yeah.
we can't see your screen.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Actually, I did not share it. One second.
I am having some internet issue. I thought because of my internet
Yes,
I
sir.
can't see.
Same, I was thinking that I have network issue, so I am unable to see.
Okay. So sorry for that, because it was not your problem. It was not your fault. Now, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now we are able.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, class 10th, how many are there of 10th standard? Raise your raise your hand there. 10th standard students. Only 3. Hmm? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So it is a tragic thing. Okay, no issue, no matter. As others are thinking that they know everything, so it's very good. I hope they would get full marks in letter writing and other things as well, whatever we learn in grammar section or in our English syllabus. Okay, it's not like, okay. So letter writing, we had seen types of letters. After that, we had seen types, and after we had discussed, we were in discussion of step to write a letter, senders, address, then date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, like whatever you want to write there, what kind of salutation you want to write, you can write there, but only in the respective format. Then body of the letter, that is very, very important. And after that, you need to write signature. Marking scheme was also discussed over there. Okay. Now, beta, let us understand this. We have seen, or we have just learned about the steps, the format, okay, what to write, when to write. Now let us understand in real practical way that how to write later. Like, okay, so first of all, we will start with complaint letters. Which letters? Complaint letters. So I'll give you one example there. Question is like, you see, I would tell you in that format only where the examiner asks you in the exam. Okay, the same format will be written over there. Okay, the example. So you are Suman or Sumit. Suman or Sumit. You
Sir, write my name.
yes, beta.
Sir, write my name.
Suman and Sumit I have written here.
Okay, sir.
Your name?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'll take you in another example then.
Okay.
So you are Suman or Sumit, and you are resident of, you are resident of like Amritsar, but these names do not suit to this place, I think. Okay, don't worry, no issue. So what did you do? You have subscribed. Monthly, or not monthly, but periodic magazine. Okay. Named Future Look. Okay. Named Future Look. This is your magazine's name. Now, you are not receiving the magazine for 2 weeks. Okay, for 2 weeks. It means they are not regular in sending you the magazines. Okay. So what you have to do? Write a letter to whom? To the sales manager. To whom? Sales manager. Okay. And whose sales manager is he? Of what sales manager is he? Future look. Understood? Regarding what?
Yes, sir.
Regarding non receipt, non-receipt of magazine, non-receipt of magazine, okay, on regular basis. Now regular in the sense periodic only. Huh? For him, what is regular? Periodic.
So what is meant by periodic?
Periodic in the sense one particular period is taken for, like 8 days or 15 days. Okay. Within every 8 days or within 7 days or within every 15 days, you are receiving that magazine, but for 2 weeks, it has not delivered to you, it has not received by you, so you are writing a complaint later to the to whom? To the
Sales manager.
to the sales manager, future look. But you must know where is the future look office is, right? So in this case, suppose the address is not given. Now you know where do you reside? Where do you reside? In Amritsar. So suppose the office is not mentioned, address of that particular company is not mentioned over there in your exam or in your question paper there. So please, you can use your own address. Own address in the sense, whatever you are putting there, that address can be regarded. Okay, and that can be granted over there. So in this sense, Amritsar, if it is the case of Amritsar, so you may consider that this sales manager or this future look
Hello,
magazine would have its office in Delhi. Okay, where?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Can you show the format of complaint letter, sir, once?
No, I had not given particular format of complaint letter. See, I had given you the format of all the formal letters that what to
Letter I
add
saw,
there.
sir.
Okay, these are the
Yes.
steps. One, like sender's address, second is date, third is receiver's address, then subject.
Yes, sir. Stop here, sir. Wait, I'll take a screenshot. I
I'll be
took, but yeah, it got deleted, sir.
no. I think I have uploaded this video, last time's video on YouTube. Didn't you watch?
No, sir.
So go through that in your classroom only. It will be fine. It will be found there. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah. Just go through the classroom, Google Classroom. You will find there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
go.
So this is the question. I was telling you that suppose you may consider that magazine or magazine's office may be in Delhi because Amritsar is nearby Delhi, isn't it? Okay. So let us start. What is our first answer? Could be, what is our answer? See, this is not actually the sheet. Okay, this is open or just without borders page. So lines can go here or there, but I'll be telling you that how to write over there. Okay. See, this is your margin over here. Okay, now let us start. So what is first step to write the letter?
Sender's address.
Sender's address. So Suman or Sumit is there and he or she is from Amritsar. So I'm writing here 12A or A wing. Okay. Ragini apartment, Amritsar. But where? Where is Ragini apartment? So Lakshmi Road. Okay. Amritsar. Sorry, here comma would not be there. and here also. One second. This is for apartment. Okay, so you may put there 11, not 11, 250026. Okay, this is the code number for that. So what is this? This is your address of sender. After this, you have to add there what to write after leaving one line here. After address of sender, you have to add there date. Okay, so 2nd of April 2022. Okay, this is the date that you have written. After writing this, you need to write the address of
Receiver.
receiver. Very nice. Thank you. Actually, you are there. Today, I think I'm really realizing that you all people are there. Thank you very much. Now, means you all are very attentive today. I can experience this. Okay. Now, 2nd April, this is the date. Now, the address of receiver. So, whom are you writing?
Sales
Salesperson
manager.
of Future Look.
Sorry,
Sales manager.
sales manager. And suppose you are not putting here comma, then only it would work. I told you that, right? Don't use comma.
Told that we should not keep
Which magazine is that?
future look.
Future Look.
Future Look magazine. Okay. Here I'm writing like New Delhi. Direct you can write. Okay. So what is the pin code for that? New Delhi starts with what? 110011. Okay, this is the pin code for that. Let us assume this. Now after this, see what is what happened there till now. This is sender's address. This is date, and this one is
First address.
receiver's address. Have you got?
Sorry.
Okay. Now it is done till now. Now we will write here. What would you write
Subject.
here?
Subject.
Definitely subject would be. See how am I writing there? Huh? See there.
That there should be a complaint letter. Like we should
Yes, yes, it is a complaint letter. I will be coming to that only. Don't worry, Vilohit. Here, see, I
not will
did
fix, Nehal.
see. I did not leave any indent for that. Did I leave? Did I leave any indent here on left side? On this side?
Yes,
No.
sir.
So you are all people are abide to write here only. Don't leave and don't leave any indent over there while writing anything. Okay, that should come one by one below, one by one. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, after the receiver's address, sorry, after receiver's address, you need to write their subject. In which regard are you writing the letter?
Complaint letter.
Yes, yes, complain, but for what?
For the not getting the magazines.
So,
This schedule.
in the question only you can find there that there is non-receipt of
Visit of magazine.
Magazine on regular basis.
okay.
Yes.
See, it is written here regarding non-receipt of magazine on regular basis. So this can be your subject. Non, yeah. What was it? Non-receipt of magazine.
Receipt of
of magazine on
regular basis.
regular basis. This is your subject. If you're writing subject, you may underline it. What can you do it? Underline it. So it will be visible there. Are you getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is your subject. Now the
Salutation.
Sir, we got
Salutation.
no. Don't
brackets,
start
sir.
writing. Don't start writing later. You need to write their opening salutation.
brackets.
Dear sir.
So this is salutation, right?
Yeah, this is salutation. Here also no need to put comma, but for formality you need to write over there. Okay, this comma is to be used. Okay, for this only. Now you just start the complaint. Now complain there. Okay, what actually you need to write, what actually you subscribed there, how was it on regular basis, but nowadays you are not receiving it. So for that only you need to write later. Okay, you are complaining. You are complaining for that. Shall I write for you or you are writing for yourself?
Sir,
I'm telling you one example over here. After that, you will be writing the later. Huh? One example I'll be giving you here only. That is your extempore. You need to complete within the class time only. Are you getting my point?
yeah, sir, I have a doubt.
Everyone will be sending that here only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
On
Now
WhatsApp.
we gonna do
On
the
WhatsApp, you need to send in the particular class. Click photo and send it. I'll be checking and we'll let you know what you have done wrong there, something. Okay, if not, so it would be well and good. Okay, have you got it?
Sir, can you repeat again?
I'll repeat it again, but let me write the letter first for you. So, dear sir,
I have a doubt.
ah,
Sir, dear sir is there, no, sir.
hmm.
That is comes under informal, right? We can write respective.
No, you can write dear in formal letter. And if suppose you are writing dear in informal, so that is also granted there. But dear sir, respected sir is something like you are writing to the person who is in authority. Okay, who is in authority, like you are writing letter to the collector, you are writing to the letter any government official. So you may use that, or you should use for that only. Okay, in my opinion. For this, you may use dear sir. If you are writing any news editor, that also you can write dear sir. Are you getting my point? Okay. So my subscription was for what? Suppose you had got the ID over there. So my subscription ID that you would like write this ID number for future look
Computer rattling stress.
magazine is
To internet.
Yeah, release me.
44021026. Okay, this is your subscription ID.
Problem.
Then directly you may complain over here that I have not been
Receiving mail.
I have not been receiving
The magazine.
copies of the magazine, on a regular basis. On a regular basis. Are you writing with me? Since
Yes, sir.
the past few weeks. Since the past few weeks, as we have mentioned there in the question also. See, whenever you are writing the letter, just go through the question properly, and from there only, from that question only, you will get the idea to develop your body of letter. Are you getting? Okay, to use the words which are given there only, that I am using here. Since the past few years, not receiving on a regular basis since the past few weeks. So at times the copies do not arrive on time, do not arrive on time, or they are delayed. They are delayed to be received by me. Because we are talking about regularization. Okay. Again, put one complaint there. Now you are not getting these copies, so you try to call, you try to talk to the customer care of this magazine, but what happened there? Even I called on your helpline number, sorry, which was or is failed, which is failed. So I could not inform you over phone. I would appreciate you. Appreciate you if you look into where the problem lies, into where the problem lies in the sense, where is the problem arising exactly, and help me out with this issue as early as possible. As early as possible. Now your letter is completed over here. Once you will go through the letter, now you will come to know every point is being given over there. So at last, what do we write? Yours sincerely, put a comma there. What was your name? Suman or Sumit? Am I audible there? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
This is something how you would write a letter in the exam. Are you getting the point, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Zoom out, sir. We will see that.
Zoom out. If I'm zooming out it, so it is actually taking the whole screen. Yeah, can you see now? This is what your letter look like. I will be zooming in here. See, once you go through this, can you? This is your question. Now this is your answer. Everything is written on this side only. On this side only. No indent was left for writing any paragraph. Suppose I felt here to change the para over here because this is the request. In the last paragraph, I have requested him, though it was a complaint, but still I requested him to look into the matter and I would be means he would be appreciated by me. Here I complained that his number was not working, so I could not inform him over phone. Okay, so they would again check their telephones and their directories, okay, to resolve this problem. And this way the sender's address, date, receiver's address, then subject, okay, and in this way you have to write the letter. Have you got the letter now? Shall I zoom it out?
Yes, sir.
Shall I zoom it out?
Yes, sir.
Have you not written there? Or else I'll be writing, I'll be uploading this video on YouTube channel. Don't worry about that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no
Okay.
need to write over here. You can copy from there as well. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now one example, can you write for me right now of complaint letter? So we will be completing this letter then. And suppose if it is possible na beta, are you all listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I'll be taking one extra class on Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but
Sir,
that would be after 3 o'clock, after 3 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Because in the morning, in first half of the day, I'm busy with some other work. So that is why I asked you to join the class. If I put there any message, so please join that. Okay. It is very important to complete this, and even our syllabus would not be covered if we are going once in a week. Understood? And you people are not coming with your queries there in syllabus. It means lessons and poems. Do you have not any problems? Hello, everyone, I'm asking you all, especially 10th standard, especially 10th standard. Deepshika,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Sir, yes, sir. No problems.
So Deepshika is in 10th standard, na?
Yes, sir.
So Deepshika, is there no problem in your syllabus, like any lesson, any poem there?
No problem, sir.
Okay, so I hope you understand everything in school only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about dust of snow? What about dust of snow?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So what happened? That means, what is the poem about? What is the poem about then? If you understood that, if you have understood, means you have understood that. So let me know the theme of the poem. What was there?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. It's about actually the poet is in the nature and he is under a hemlock tree, and a
Huh?
snow falls under a hemlock tree, and a snow falls on top of him, and then he has various thoughts about it.
Sir, he was very depressed when he was under the hemlock tree.
Second.
Kartikeya, he has written like it's 9th class chapter, right? Is it in 9th
Yes,
class?
sir. It was in ninth. We actually have the same textbook for ninth and
Yes,
10th. We did.
sorry. Yeah, same
Yeah.
textbook you use, na? So I was also confused over there.
Yes,
Dust
sir.
of snow. The dust of snow and fire and ice of 10th standard, na, I think.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Ninth actually.
What are you saying?
Yes, sir. We have fog and the trees this year.
For us, it's completely different, sir.
No, sir, it's 10th.
This is dust of snow is of 10th standard. I
Yes,
think.
yes, sir,
Yes,
10th.
sir. Less than.
How would you say, Deepshika, like you are in
It's
10th
not
standard and you are telling me that that is of 9th?
So we actually in our school we start the 10th grade English portion in 9th grade only.
What is the name of your school?
Cornerstone School. For English, we actually use the book of the grade above us. So for first grade, we use second grade textbook that way.
I am only actually I have been also teaching in the school. The same thing is happening in my school as well. Actually, the students, they learn what they are not, what they are in their grade. So they are not studying that. They are studying of higher class. Like if they are in
Yes,
8th
sir.
standard, so they would be learning in ninth class. If they are in 9th, so they would be learning 10th standard. And 10th standard, again, the same things are repeated.
Yeah, sir. It's divided in 9th and 10th.
So your school is also doing the same thing, but for sure it is not of 9th standard. Okay, don't consider it that it was in 9th standard. It is in 10th standard.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so don't be confused me, like you made me like astonished here, like I thought I forgot or what the syllabus. Yeah, I was confused totally when you say Kartikeya.
Yes, sir.
It is not in 9th standard, it is in 10th standard.
No, sir. He is in the same school as me. So for us,
That
it
is
is
why
in
he
9th.
told, na, yeah, I got that. I got the message that you both told, na, that is why I could understand that. Okay. So one example is there, please write for me. I'm
Can you
just
post in WhatsApp? We can write then. We can.
no,
We
I'm
will
writing
post in
here
by
only. Question number 2 of complaint letter. Suppose nowadays the appliances are going very, means they are actually by default they are damaged. Okay, so the most important or mostly liked appliance, which is that liked by all, that appliance that we have or we use it day by day, every day, means every now and then we apply use that. What is that? That is mobile, na?
Sir, it comes under electronic, right?
So appliance, like that is also an appliance where you are using it. Do you apply something or not on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
We can
so
tell the
you
details.
you are Samantha or Sumati, and from where? From Hyderabad only. Okay, from Hyderabad. Now you bought a mobile phone, from a reputed showroom. Reputed showroom in Hyderabad only. Okay, and what happened there? But it developed a serious problem or fault within a month. Generally it happens. So what you have to do? Write a complaint letter. Write a letter to complain to the manager Why again manager? Because it is a reputed showroom. Okay, that is why. To the manager of the showroom. For what? For asking immediate replacement. What would you do there?
Placement.
Replacement of the same. Okay, are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
You are from Hyderabad, so you can add here your address as well, like whatever you want to write over there. Okay, you may, if suppose in exam there is no address, so you'd have to develop the address, but every time in exam the address is given. Don't worry about that. Okay,
Yes.
have you
Sir,
got the point?
question paper, they will not give address.
Huh?
In our question paper, they will not give address. We have to create.
There
They will not have the address. We have to create.
so you develop that. Okay, no issue for that. You may develop that. Okay, there is no issue. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So would you please write it and send that, post it on WhatsApp? You are having
Okay,
time within like till 9:45 your answers must be there on WhatsApp. After that the timing would be there. After that I would not accept it. Okay, because it is a very small letter that you have to write over there. Have you got it?
Yeah,
Where in WhatsApp, sir?
You may post na. How do you post your exam? If it is a descriptive type of exam, then how do you post your clicks?
Sir, should we post in the discussions tab?
Huh?
In the
Yes,
discussions tab.
you may post over there, like this is your class. Where is it? Come first.
Sir, once read this, sir, once read this.
Let it come over there. Actually, yes, it is. Now
Please can you once read it, sir?
this is your group. So in discussion, what is there? Create a new discussion over here. Assessment. Can you post it in assessment?
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, once can you please read the question?
Yeah, I'll read it. Are you, miss, do you have that access to post the things in the WhatsApp or not?
sir.
Yes, sir, we have the access for the discussions tab.
If you are having the access for discussions, so please post your answers over there. Okay.
The discussion.
Yes, sir, we have the access.
So please go for that and just write your answer on a page and click it and send it to me on discussion tab in the WhatsApp.
Yes,
in
sir.
particular group.
So
Did you
please
get it?
read the question.
Yeah, this is the question. You are Samantha or Sumati from
So
Hyderabad.
can we change the name?
You can change it, no issue. Then you
Okay,
bought a mobile phone from a reputed showroom in Hyderabad, but it developed a serious fault within a month. So write a complaint letter to the manager of the showroom for asking immediate replacement of the same. Okay.
Sir, any problem we can write our wish.
Any problem? See, what is the problem? What action do you require here?
Sir, replacement of the
Replacement.
mobile.
So according to this only you need to write. Okay. See the replacement problems. For what can you are you willing to replace it? Okay. Then
Yes,
only
sir.
you write the answer. Yes.
Sir.
Hmm.
In WhatsApp, where is the discussion?
Discussion. You will find that.
Where it is? I'm not getting that.
You are not getting. Others are getting their discussion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is there. You just search for that. Huh?
Sir, at the side tab we have, sir. Below
There is
the
the side tab.
overview.
There you will find it.
Oh, below the overview.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thank you so much for joining the class. I hope you have got the format of the letter, the answer, how to write that, and you will apply the same. Thank you so much for joining the class. Have a nice time. Sir, we have
Sir,
provided
once
letter
can
for
you
the
please
second question and post in WhatsApp. Yes, Karthikeyan. You have to do the same thing. You have to write the
Sir.
answer for question number 2 and just post it in the group.
Sir,
Sorry.
hello, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, once can you please share the screen and show the letters? Sir, again, I have small doubt there.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, not this, sir. In previous you have written, sir. One.
Huh? Which one?
Hello, sir.
Which one? Which screen?
Sir,
Sir,
which you
all
have written as a previously one letter means for the explanation you have written, sir.
Okay, this one like WhatsApp screen.
Sir, not that, sir.
Huh?
Sir, in which you gave question, sir, that one only, sir, I'm asking.
This is the question only. It is written here.
Sir, I'm scrolling. I'm saying to scroll it down, sir.
It is openly seen there. Is it okay?
Sir, not, sir. I'm asking the up one, up one. I have a
Okay.
doubt there.
Here.
So not questions or answer.
Okay.
So means I have doubt that we have to write at last. Can we write as thank you, sir? Yes, sir. You have written your sincerely reply to some name
No
written,
need to
sir.
write there thank you and all. Okay. This
Okay,
is
sir.
not a thanking letter. This is a complaint letter. If
Okay, sir.
suppose they are reverting you, they are giving you answer of this or query. They are
Yes, sir.
reverting you. They are writing you letter back. And if suppose your query is solved, after that you write the thanking letter to that person. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Is it okay with you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
so much. Have a nice time. Good night. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
As a
Thank you, sir. Bye.